Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make caramel no cream easy guide. Start by dissolving sugar in water over medium heat without stirring, then brush down sides with a wet brush. Watch for the syrup to turn amber and remove from heat promptly. Swirl in butter in small pieces, then cool slightly before using. Practice makes timing easier, and this method keeps caramel smooth and dairy light for sauces or toppings. Warm and steady heat is your friend when making sugar syrup for caramel. Start with measured sugar and water, then heat until the mixture is clear and boiling. Stop stirring once the boil starts and use a wet brush to wipe crystals from the pan sides. Watch for color change and be ready to remove the pan just as it reaches a deep amber to avoid bitterness and achieve perfect flavor. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more recipes. Quick recommendation. On another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to stay refreshed while you cook. I put a pack in my car, and it makes errands more pleasant. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. After the syrup reaches amber, remove the pan from heat and add butter gradually to temper the caramel and avoid hardening. Stir gently and steadily until the butter melts and the sauce becomes glossy and even. If desired, add a pinch of salt for balance or a splash of vanilla for aroma. Let the caramel cool a bit before pouring over desserts so it thickens to the right consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.